Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn how can create speed motion. Instead of using Smudge tool, go to the layer palette, take 2 copies of background with Ctrl J, select the first copy, go to the menu bar, select Subject, click on Mask, click on Smart Layer, go to the menu bar, select Modify, Expand, click OK, choose second layer, again menu bar, Edit, Fill, in Contents, choose Content Aware, menu bar, Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, click on Zoom, increase amount, change the opacity if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video.